We have just arrived here at the Caterham factory where we're going to see the progress on Oliver's Caterham 7 310 Encore, which he won back last year, at the end of last year. So we're so excited for him to see the car and how much it's progressed. Ollie is here and he's brought his dad Kevin along as well. So now Robert is just giving us another factory tour of Caterham, just so we can have a little refresher of everywhere that Ollie's car has been. And then at the end of the tour, we're going to see Ollie's car. So Robert is now just telling Oliver that this is what his car looked like when it first arrived here at Caterham, just the chassis, and then we're going to go and see the next sections where his car has taken shape. So we are now going through the workshops where, as you can see, there's lots of different Caterhams and lots of different stages of their builds, and I can't wait to see what stage the Caterham 7 310 Encore is at, which is Ollie's Caterham that he won from us here at Bridge Classic Cars. It's going to be really, really exciting. They've got a paint booth over there, which you can see. So they do basically everything in-house here at Caterham. Look, there are so many different options of what colours you can have your Caterhams here. Now, I believe that Oliver went for the Blue Monday colour of his Caterham 7 310 Encore, so I can't wait to see it. This is Oliver's Caterham. This very car here is absolutely stunning. Oliver is now just talking to the technician who is actually building his car. So I think here at Caterham, I think they have one technician build the whole car. So that's really special for him to get to chat about the journey. As you can see, it's nearly done. It's nearly done. Oliver's planning to going out in May to take it to France. Him and his wife are getting on a little adventure. So I reckon it's well on the way for being finished by then. Having quite a lot of fun today as well, because I actually have just done a little bit of videoing to help Nick out while he took some photos, and now he's handed me the camera. I don't know what he's playing at, but there we go. I've just got to take some lovely pictures, and just as I got the camera in my hand, Oliver got in the Caterham and had a little sit and had a little play with the seats to make sure that they were comfortable and lovely. And now, just behind me, that is Ali, the marketing manager here at Caterham. He's come down to have a chat with Oliver as well, which is just so lovely. We're having a great day, and we've got some photos of the team, which is really cool. And there's our Nick getting some beauty shots of that gorgeous Caterham 7 and little bird's eye view. Also, there's Paul there, who's hand building the car. We are now off to see a fully completed Caterham 7 310 Encore, and Rob is just going to take us round to it now. We are now going to get our first glimpse of a finished Caterham 7 310 Encore. It's very exciting. It's up here on the mezzanine floor here at Caterham with all the other cars that I believe are finished and ready to go to their new owners. Here it is, the moment of truth. Is the finished Caterham. What an absolute beauty it is. So this is what Oliver's car is going to look like when it's finished. We've come to the end of our tour here at Caterham, and it's been amazing to get to see Oliver's car and the progress that it's made, and then see an Encore that is all finished as well. So it's been absolutely brilliant. I think now what's going to happen is Robert is going to get his laptop and sort out when it's going to be finished for Oliver to come and collect the car. It's very exciting. But thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll just leave you with a view of the amazing Caterham.